This is the bowling ramp from Flag House. It's designed to help those in wheelchairs as well as those with low muscle tone or a limited range of motion in their arms to take part in the fun of bowling. To put together the ramp, take out the black hole stoppers on both the upper and lower ball guide. Then take the upper ball guide, which has the flat surface, and insert it into the support leg. Next, take the lower ball guide and insert it into the upper ball guide, and your bowling ramp is ready for use. The ramp is lightweight and easy to move. The wide rear legs allow those using a wheelchair to get right up to the ramp with no obstacles. The no-slide rubber feet on the legs keep the ramp in place on the smooth lane surface. The bowling ramp is one of many items available for loan from Oklahoma AbleTech. To learn about AbleTech's device loan program, go to okabletech.org.